Are you searching for the best edge banding machine? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best edge banding machines in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, Desktop Woodworking Edge Banding Machine. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price. But price may be changed at any time. Number 2. Best Manual Edge Banding Machine. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price. But price may be changed at any time. Number 3. Portable Edge Bander Woodworking Edge Banding Machine. Features double-sided coating, glued stable, uniform, and firm adhesion. Double screw supply system, large amount of glue, stable and continuous edge sealing, the use of high-temperature materials, durable, anti-oxidation, moderate hardness, smooth delivery, large capacity rubber pot, no need to add glue frequently, work efficiency is high, saving time and effort, upgrade the straight switch to prevent misuse. Accurate, stable and long service life, sealed line dedicated switch. Sensitive, easy to operate, improve work efficiency, balance the plate wheel. The large plate is easy to operate, reduce friction.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. Mini Edge Banding Machine Woodworking. Mini Edge Banding Machine Woodworking Home Decoration Curved Straight Line Saw Bench Type Edge Banding Machine 220V 1200W 6 to 60 mm. Name, Mini Edge Banding Machine. Machine Power, 1200W. Edge Sealing Speed, 0-6m/min. Heating Time, 5 to 10 minutes. Glue Capacity, 1000 milliliters. Edge Sealing Width, 6 to 60 mm. Voltage, 220V. Number 5. Desktop Edge Banding Machine for Woodworking. Desktop Edge Banding Machine for Woodworking. Double-side gluing portable PVC edge bander 220V high power 1.2 kW with tray cut. Product name, Woodworking Edge Banding Machine. Model, TS500. Voltage, 220V. If need 110V, please message to us. Frequency, 50 Hz. Power, 1200W. Glue pot, 1000 milliliters. Edge sealing speed, 2-6m/min. Edge thickness, 10 to 60 millimeters. Glue capacity, 1000 milliliters. Heating time, 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Weight, 30 kilograms.